The ingredients are thick and weigh 10 to 12 pounds. And VICOOK micro-pressing technology preserves the taste of the food. 1 VICOOK micro-pressure energy storage technology, 3-sided ring heating, eliminates the traditional vent design and can generate a small amount of pressure during the cooking process, allowing steam to penetrate into food more quickly, preserving the nutrition and taste of the food. Compared to traditional steamers, it can save 4 times the cooking time. Due to the heavy pressing process, lightly touching the lid will cause it to rotate. 2. Thickened layer steel integrated die casting. Molding the whole pot weighs 10 to 12 pounds. The material is very thick, more sturdy and durable, compared to the composite bottom steaming pot on the market. There is no need to worry about the bottom falling off. 3. Imported 1810 stainless steel, high-quality stainless steel, with a purity of 99.9%, no excessive heavy metals, stronger corrosion resistance, and direct contact between pregnant mothers and babies. For multifunctionality, with a raised pot shape and a pot body height of 18 centimeters, it is 5 centimeters higher than a regular steamer and can accommodate up to 2 more people. Removing the steamer can turn it into a high-barrel micro-pressure stew pot with a larger soup capacity, making it less likely to spill or overflow. The handle is designed with cold steel, which conforms to ergonomics and is comfortable to grip without overheating. 5. Adopting German-US nano-mirror polishing technology, the whole body is as bright as a mirror, showing elegance. The mirror polishing of the pot body is not easy to oxidize and turn black, and is easy to clean. 6. There are no screws inside the pot lid, effectively avoiding heavy metal poisoning caused by long-term oxidation of screws leading to rusting and low steam water. 7. Export to Europe. Italian brand. Export to Europe. EU food safety and quality assurance. 8. Main materials. 5-layer steel inner layer. Imported 1810s precision steel. Steel core. Aviation high conductivity.